is right there. It's a surf thing, and I just did it, and I love it. You guys should watch me.
Hey, hello.
Hi.
Hello. Open your arm.
Okay, I think
How are you?
good.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Okay, I think I'm done.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey.
Guys, that's awesome. I just did it 3 times, guys. Pretty cool, right? And there's this game called Uno Splash. It's Uno cards, but they can get wet. Like, I can straight up put them completely underwater and they won't get wet at all.